So, sir, let's run. And here's the file. Ito po yung napili kong design kasi wala na akong maisip. Pero maganda naman yan, sir. Example, BSIT. Boses mo. Schedule natin is Tuesday ng 9 a.m. 10. Yeah, 10. Palitan natin 10. And then, add schedule. Print the file. Rename it as Lero Schedule. Yan. Save. Okay. And then file. And then documents. Lero schedule. Notepad. And that's all, sir. Congratulations. Thank you.